United Wholesale Mortgage has done it again. They have come out with another product that crushes everybody else's rates. Hey guys, Roger here with Vantage Home Loans and Vantage Realty. Thanks so much for tuning in. So a couple of videos ago, I talked to you guys about the best mortgage program for 2020 that was just released by United Wholesale Mortgage called Conquest. Ta-da! All right, so United Wholesale Mortgage came out with a program and they're offering 2.5 to 2.99% on a 30-year fixed mortgage for purchases and rate and term refinances. Basically, if you're not taking cash out. So now they're offering an even better deal for VA loans. So their new product with the VA loan is a 2.25 to 2.375 30-year fixed rate. If you're checking your ears, you heard correct. 2.25% on a 30-year fixed. So I don't even know how this bank is gonna make any money, but they're offering these unbelievable rates, beating everyone. And we talked to our representatives over at United Wholesale Mortgage and asked them, hey, what's the deal? How are you guys offering these low of rates? And their answer was, we expect the rest of 2020 and 2021 to have these types of rates. Like, rates are going to go down to this range, we believe. Nothing's guaranteed. Please, just keep all the information that I give you with a grain of salt. Okay, nothing is guaranteed. You can always find a statistic to back up your claim, whether it's this or that. So take all the information with a grain of salt. But they expect rates to be in the low threes, under 3%, in the 2.5% to 3% range for conventional loans in 2020 and 2021. So they're like, hey, let's just beat everyone to the market. Let's beat everyone and help them take advantage of these low rates right now. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video from, I think it's like 2 videos ago, you can check that out if you're looking for a conventional loan. This video is more about VA loans, but there are restrictions that apply to both. So keep watching. All right, the number one requirement is a 640 credit score. Okay, so if you have less than a 640, work on it, get it up to 640, and ideally you want it to be over 700. That's the first requirement. The second requirement is you can't have had a loan with United Wholesale Mortgage in the last 18 months. The third requirement, which I mentioned earlier, you can only use this program if you're purchasing a house or if you're doing a rate and term refinance. Another thing to keep in mind with this program is you can only lock your rate for 22 days. So if you're looking to take advantage of this program, you want to find a broker in your area. If you guys are enjoying these videos, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm coming out with videos every single week, sometimes twice a week, giving you guys updates on really, really valuable information like this VA loan that's now available at a 2.25% 30-year fixed rate. Who isn't gonna be jumping for joy when they hear that? If you're a vet and you've never gotten a VA loan and you're taking advantage for the first time, how good does a 2.25% sound to you? If you're in California, I'm your man. I can help you out with that. You can schedule a call in the description below to speak with me regarding this program. Or if you are not in California, you can go to findamortgagebroker.com or go to UWM's website, uwm.com, and find a mortgage broker in your area if you want to take advantage of this offer. This is not something that's being offered in retail banks or with wholesale banks. This is only with United Wholesale Mortgage. So you can only get this program if you contact a broker who is approved with UWM. Also, since Corona went down, the number of homes on the market has been very, very low. Now, combined with these low interest rates, combined with a low inventory, expect to see home values go up. Now I know you're gonna say, hey Roger, a video or 2 ago you talked about prediction 2021 in 12 to 18 months, home values are gonna go down. Yes, that is a prediction from CoreLogic Credit Code that I shared with you guys. But with these new developments, who really knows? Time will only tell what's actually going to happen. I can't predict the future. I don't think anyone can. No one could have predicted Corona, but that freaking happened. So now is the time. Get in and buy a house now if you can, if you qualify. All right. So one other really, really great benefit of working with a broker and using UWM, they're so fast. It's such a fast and easy process. I've had clients that I've done these refinances, the Conquest loan specifically, but working with UWM in general, they come back to me and they're like, wow, like I don't remember the last refinance that I did being this smooth and easy. And that's such a huge part of the experience, is going through a refinance or buying a house and it being easy. Technology has gotten so much better, and some of the banks still haven't caught up. I have friends that work at Chase and Bank of America and Wells Fargo doing mortgages. They're taking 60 days, 75 days. The faster banks are taking like 45 days to do a loan. And it can be really, really aggravating having to wait 2 to 2.5 months just to do a simple refinance. So last month, I helped 4 people do a rate and term refinance with the Conquest program, and the average time it took to close those loans were 16 days. So getting a loan done in 60 days is such a good experience for the borrower. So not only are you getting the absolute best rate on the market, you're getting such a fast and easy experience that you're going to want to keep coming back. You're going to keep wanting to work with a mortgage broker. You're not even going to consider going to a bank because it's just so much easier. Everything's signed electronically. The bank approves the loan in 24 hours. They review your condition in 24 hours. We get appraisals done in like 4 days. So it's so quick and seamless that you're going to be happy. It's going to be fun. It's going to not feel like a hassle. It's not going to feel like a headache. A lot of times people put off refinancing because, they've had such bad experiences in the past that they're like, I don't even want to go through that because it's just too much of a pain in the ass. But not anymore, not with UWM. So they're really stepping up to the plate, helping out me as a broker. At the end of the day, it's about helping you out as a consumer, getting your loan done, getting it done quickly, getting the best deal. Why wouldn't you go with a bank like UWM or a mortgage broker like myself? So take care, guys, and I'll see you next time.